everyone, welcome to Bride and Bloom Weddings Do It Yourself. Today we're going to design some lavender eucalyptus boutonnieres. These beautiful boutonnieres coordinate with our lavender eucalyptus, and this one has Queen Anne's lace wildflower bouquet. Now this is a beautiful set for a country wedding or an outdoor wedding. They're just beautiful. They're nice lavender dried flowers. You'll really love these. So today what we're doing is the boutonnieres, and I've gone ahead and selected some pieces of lavender as well as some eucalyptus and pre-cut some twine. But before we get started, what you're going to need at home is a glue gun. Also, you're going to need some pliers and a pair of scissors. So we'll go ahead and get started. So what we'll do right now is just put together two pieces of lavender and just sort of have them going in different directions, make it look a little whimsical and really pretty. So we'll go ahead and tape that with our floral design tape. We'll just make that nice and tight, holding that together. And then we're going to add another piece of lavender in behind. Just placing it there and taping that together. And then what we'll add is two pieces of eucalyptus, and I like to put one in behind and then one to the side and front. So we'll place that right there and tape that together. And you can bring the tape down about a ½ inch. And then we're going to add another piece of eucalyptus out to the side here. You can sort of play with it and see whatever looks best. Just sort of framing the lavender like that. And then we'll go ahead and tape that down. And then we have another little piece of lavender. We're going to just set that right in front. And you can leave some of the stems out, and depending on the height of the boutonniere that you would like, how you would like it to sit, I usually leave a couple centimeters out and just cut that at an angle. Cut that right off with your wire snippers. And a piece of paper there, we'll just glue that right down. And now I've pre-cut the twine. So what we'll do is we'll just find the front of your boutonniere, and we're going to leave a couple inches sticking out the top, and then just glue this little piece down in the front. Your twine, just glue that right down, and then we're going to wrap it all the way around. I like to leave a little bit of stem out, that looks nice and natural, and then just wrap this all the way to the top. There we go. And then what we're going to do is just tie that in a knot. Tight. There we go. And then just trim up your twine so they're about even. So there you have it. Some lovely lavender eucalyptus wildflower boutonnieres. So they're quick and easy to make, lots of fun, very simple. And they're just a wonderful finishing touch to groom and groomsmen to their tuxedos. They just look great. So I want to thank you for watching. If you're interested in this do-it-yourself package, you can just click on the link below. Thanks for watching.